Me and Jake the back. Jordan.
Hey.
Dunk one time. Dunk one time. Run. Dunk one time for him. Run. Damn.
I ain't got up.
Alright, Come on, restart that motherfucker. Go ahead, you got fun.
Alright. Set me up for this introduction, right? Alright, let's go. Let's set it down now. You fuck. Bitches, let's go. Alright, set it up for the track, bring it back. What you spit, what you know, ain't with that. Let's go, smoking on that killer shit. Call it green loud, bro. When we get the token on that smoking, we gon' go loud. No, you don't fuck with us. You can't even spit. Man, I step it up on this track. You better check that shit. Man, I rip it. Yes, I do. Man, I flow. Yes, you do. Man, you can't even spit the flow. So why the fuck you in the room? Flowing with us. You know we going with us. You know we smoking every day. Man, we choking niggas. We blowing niggas. Now we pulling triggers. Dropping to the floor. Man, you know we think.
Excuse me, beat. I'm on my feet. Back to knock you down. All 6 bars on the beat. 16 on the feet. 60 on the wrist. I got 40 on the chain. And I'ma tell her how I do.